Hello everyone. In this video we will create a live streaming app in Flutter with the help of ZEGOCLOUD API. So ZEGOCLOUD is best platform that provides APIs to create chat app or any other communication like voice calling, video calling or any live streaming app. So ZEGOCLOUD is mostly used and it is very easy to connect to our application. So if you click on products and live streaming, you can read more about this live streaming product. Build interactive live streaming and reach millions globally. So there are the benefits of live streaming: live interactions, streaming battles, live streaming forwarding, screen sharing, real-time messaging, face beautification, and so many other benefits to use ZEGOCLOUD APIs for live streaming. So let's do this. So first of all, you have to create your account. Click on sign up. So when you create your account, you will get 10,000 free minutes to use in your application. So I have already created my account, so I will log in. So I have logged into my ZEGOCLOUD account and this is its dashboard. So go to projects and projects management. So I will create a new project of live streaming. Click on this and next and give it a name, for example live. And there is two ways to connect your ZEGOCLOUD API to the Flutter app, that is UI kits and SDKs. So I will use UI kits because it is easy to use, and so click on start with UI kits and it's loading. So your project is creating, wait for it. So choose the platform, so I will use it for Flutter, then click on this for Flutter and save and start to integrate. So this is app ID and app sign that we use in our application. So first of all, you have to add a package. That one, Zego UI kit pre-built live streaming. You have to add this package into your application. Spec.yaml and here pub-get. Now click on quick start, so you will see how to use this API. And first of all, you have to import the SDK. So you have to import the package. I have import this one, and this is the widget of our live screen, live ID. So first of all, you have to configure your project. You have to do some settings, otherwise your application will not work. So first of all, go to project Android app build.gradle. So Android app build.gradle and change compiled SDK version to 33 and then add these permissions to app src main and Android manifest.xml. Add these permissions. These permissions and configurations are important, otherwise your application will not work. And also create this file in Android app and paste this line. and copy this line and Android app build.gradle. Build.gradle. So here sign and config. So our application setting is are done for Android. So I will use it for Android, so that's all. And if you want to use for iOS, you can use or do these settings. And I have this sample code I have just written, and I will copy and paste here, and copy your app ID here, and app sign in the string, and import this package that we have add to our spec.yaml. So it's loading. Or do this one. So I have imported this package, and this is a sample code. You can try it. Now let's run our application. And there is some error. Let's solve this. So it's saying change min SDK version to 19. So build.gradle, and here min SDK version to 19. Now let's run this. And again there is an error, so let's solve it manually with the help of Google. So search this. And open this one. There will be a solution for this. So let's try this one. Multi-dex enable true in build.gradle. So here default config, paste here, and this line in dependencies. Here. So this error must be solved. Now let's run this again. So here our application is running, and this is our user ID. This is generating by a random number, and you can join a live streaming or start a live streaming. So by clicking or input any ID here. For example, I will write this one, and I can start a live. So and start. So it's working fine, and these are the audience and many other features that ZEGOCLOUD is providing. So you can see here we have created our live streaming application with a few lines of code. So that is the use of ZEGOCLOUD, that is providing us so much features within a few lines of code. And you can also join a live from here. So no rest is online. So you can try this on different devices or real devices, then it will work fine, and you can also take benefit of this ZegoCloud APIs, or you can use it for any other projects, or you can also use it for your personal application and take benefit from this one. So that's all for today.